Struggling to keep your students engaged in online courses? Imagine boosting your course completion rate significantly. I'm going to show you a powerful tool that enhances learning experiences with advanced gamification, intuitive design, and strong community features. You are going to love it. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a platform that I think is redefining online learning in all the right ways. Courses can be tough to create and incentivize your students to complete, but Esmerise is helping you tackle those challenges head on. This video is sponsored by them, but I am a big believer in this tool and you will see why shortly. Increasing course completion rates up to 3 times. That is no joke. Let's dive in right now and see what this platform is and why it stands out. Let's start on their homepage and I'll give you a bit of a background on Esmerise. It began as a software house for e-learning projects, but quickly shifted to a SaaS company to address challenges of established platforms. Now, unlike generic online courses, Esmerise delivers immersive experiences. How? Through engaging community features, advanced gamification, and a sleek, intuitive design. You're going to see that on the homepage. And just wait until we log into the back end. All of these elements lead to significantly higher course completion rates, which ensures that students learn more and creators see an increased customer satisfaction and lifetime value. It's a win-win. By the way, this video isn't necessarily a platform demo. I will introduce you to the platform, but I definitely recommend heading over to the Esmerise website where you can watch a demo directly from them. Or once you sign up, this very helpful 23-minute video that walks you through absolutely every part of the platform. But don't worry, we'll cover some of these in this video. Esmerise offers an advanced gamification system. So the platform has a flexible point system where instructors can assign points for specific challenges or actions. These points act as a virtual currency, allowing users to buy rewards, avatars, or compete on leaderboards. This sophisticated gamification keeps learners engaged and motivated. I'm going to show you. Now, what you'll see me walk through in this video is exactly what you would see when you go to create an account for yourself. So here I'm working from a free trial because I find it's easiest to imagine your own course from a clean slate. Immediately, I've noticed something very unique in Esmerise compared to other online course platforms is how streamlined it is. For example, when I go to add a new module, this is really straightforward, but also very versatile depending on what it is you're trying to create. I should note one thing that's really unique is the absence of back-end editing, so instructors can edit courses directly from within the course itself. This is so much easier and so much more streamlined, simplifying content management and really enhancing the user experience. Now here's what a completed module might look like. This is for my course, Content Mastery. You'll see here lots of text in the description as needed, as well as some additional controls that I want to explain. If your course follows a particular order, then I would definitely consider toggling this on. It means that the user will have to mark the module complete before they can continue. This enables you to toggle on or off whether or not it's published. As well here, an advanced setting. For Pro and Enterprise plans, you can actually create a parent module. Let's say, for example, something that goes into more detail, and you want to break it out separately. If you want a module to be made unlock after a certain number of days, you would add that number in right here. And I love this option right here, the ability to upsell or cross-sell. They make this so easy. Toggle this on to show this module when not purchased. This means if someone else has another product of yours, they'll be able to see it. And here you can add a link to purchase it. So all of that is controlled in one place, and I absolutely love that. One of Esmerise's standout features is its branded app experience. Unlike other platforms, Esmerise offers a browser downloadable app that lets creators set their own icon and name. Even the intermediate plan includes this feature. The app mirrors the web version, allowing users to edit landing pages directly from their phones, providing a complete and flexible learning environment. After enabling rewards in the settings, you can click this tab and it's going to look like this when it's empty. You've got 2 different rewards that you can add. An avatar, which might be a playful image that someone can use their points to redeem and use it as their avatar on their profile, or any other kind of reward. Could be physical, like a t-shirt, or could be digital, like an email consultation. Give some thought as to how you want to incentivize your students to get rewards for completing modules. A completed dashboard might look something like this. And once again, here's how it looks if we've completed the avatars and the rewards for my students to get with points. I'll click in to edit one of these so you can see the controls up close. the image up here, the name, and if we want to give a description, we can, as well as defining the amount of points required by the student to get it. Here, a handful of rewards, discounts, office hours, consultations, all kinds of things here that could be physical, like a t-shirt or some kind of prize. But also many creators will appreciate what you can do digitally, which isn't going to cost you any more, potentially other than your time. I'll click here to edit. Again, you'll see the image up top, the reward name, and a description if you need one. The points to unlock, and if you want to limit the purchase number by user, you can. When you're ready, I'll click save. Now in customer view here, you can see that this is easy for your students to navigate and exciting and incentivizing them to unlock these rewards with points that they can earn. Esmerise excels in building robust community features. With live group chats, forums, and comment sections, learners stay engaged and connected. Additionally, Esmerise offers excellent customer support via email and WhatsApp, backed by impressive ratings of 4.8 on Capterra and 4.5 on Trustpilot. These features engage learners and ensure that they have the support needed to succeed. Before I hop over to my phone where I'll show you how the app works, I wanted you to see how you can create a homepage or a landing page for your course or your academy using a template. This makes things so much less overwhelming. You can see here I've got placeholder images, the ability to add and edit elements. Being able to start from something existing makes this so much more possible. I know many people that have put off course creation purely based on the pressure and how long it takes to create a page that looks like this. No stress, starting from a template will make this easy. And now hopping over to my phone, you can see how this looks on mobile and it looks fantastic. But here's the best part. I'm on iOS, so I can click up here and scroll down to Add to Homepage. On an Android, you would click Install App. Now, both you and your students will have full access to products through the app. For those of you on the Pro plan, you'll be able to white label this app and customize the icon and logo. And there we have it, along with other apps. Creating your own app can cost thousands of dollars, but that is not the case with Esmerise. I love that this feature is included in your plan for free. So why choose Esmerise? It combines user-friendly design, advanced gamification, branded app experiences, and strong community features to create a unique digital learning environment. Whether you're an educator or a content creator, Esmerise helps you deliver engaging and effective learning experiences. Plus, with access to a fully populated academy and an online video guide, you can see firsthand how these features come together. Since my course is new, there's not going to be much to look at, but here I've selected forums on the top after enabling this feature, and you can see the controls here to write a post, both title and text, as well as images and attachments if that's what you want to add. I love that I can also toggle this setting on. I can notify users via email of this particular post, and down here I can organize it accordingly into whichever channel makes the most sense. Note that I can make a channel only visible to certain people that have purchased a particular product, which is really useful. Again, lots of controls here, but at no point does the user interface become overwhelming, which is exactly what you need as a busy creator. You might be wondering what the price is for Esmerise. I'll click down to that, which is on their homepage. They've got 3 plans at the time of recording this video, both the base, pro, and enterprise plans. You can read about all the specifics here, but if you ask me, there are some really great features that incentivize your students to complete the course and also build community. Things we haven't talked about in this particular video, like quizzes, an affiliate marketing dashboard, staff accounts, completion certificates, subscription and installment products, the use of your own domain, and so much more. Again, I would head over here to take a closer look for yourself. Definitely an impressive course platform with features I haven't seen anywhere else. And for all the reasons that I've stated in this video, I definitely think it's worth your time. And there you have it. That is why Esmerise is the ultimate platform for immersive learning experiences. With its advanced features and seamless user experience, Esmerise helps you create impactful and engaging courses that increase completion rates and customer satisfaction. I am linking to Esmerise in the description below. You're definitely going to want to check this platform out. They offer a free trial, no credit card required, so that you can explore it for yourself. I think you're going to be as impressed as I am. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. Respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those coming up next.